Hello class, in this video I'm going to show you how and where to post your finished PBL projects. So I have created a shared Google Slides presentation, that way all the groups can go in and edit this presentation, add in your project, that way they're all under the same link, and the link to this is going to be shared in the digital school newsletter and also the school district's social media page. That way, your parents, your friends, anybody can go online, click on this link, and see all of you guys' hard work from these past 2 weeks all together. So, if you go to Google Classroom under assignments, there's a link to this PowerPoint presentation, Google Slides presentation. Click on that. As you can see here in the top left corner, the title is Environmental Unit PBL 2025 Class Deck. So each group is going to fill out 3 slides. I already have a template going on. If you see on the on the left side, you're going to have a project title and group members name slide. Click on the next slide. That's going to be blank, and that's where you're going to insert your video, poster, infographic, or podcast, whatever your finished PBL product is, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit. And the third slide is your reflection page, where you're going to answer these questions. So on this title slide, don't do anything, don't edit it, just leave it as is. Okay, so I'm going to pretend I'm a group member for my project title. I'm going to select the text box, drag my cursor and select the text, hit backspace, and I'm going to write my title. How to sort trash at home and in your community, and why it matters. So pretend this is my title. Now this is a little big, so I'm going to drag and select all this text. I'm going to go up here where it says decrease font size at the top of the screen. I'm going to click on it until it fits nicely. That looks nice. So I'm going to deselect this text box by clicking outside of the text box. And I'm going to select this text box, drag and select the text, hit backspace on my keyboard, and I'm going to write or type my group members' names. So Mickey, Minnie, and Daisy. So this is just an example, okay? And I'm going to go to the next slide and pretend I made a video for my PBL project. So I'm going to go to the top where it says insert, the top left, click on it, and to go down where it says video. And I'm going to go to Google Drive. It's already on Google Drive for me. You can see because it's selected because it's blue. My drive, files. I'm going to click on this video. This is a video of my dog, but I'm going to pretend this is my PBL project. I'm going to go down here, the bottom right, hit insert. And now I'm going to select the video, click and drag to the center, make it nice and center. Here where the red lines cross is how I know that it's centered. I can go to the right and deselect or close, click on the X to close this menu. I don't need it. And then I'm going to go to the next slide and I'm going to answer these questions. You don't have to delete these questions if you don't want to. You can just select the text box and then you can put your cursor right here. You can hit enter, you can hit tab, and then you can start writing your answer. So I'm just going to write answer here as a placeholder. And then I'm going to move my cursor over here, hit enter, hit tab, write my answer or type my answer. I'm going to move my cursor over here, enter, tab, write my answer. Okay, now if your PBL project is a poster or infographic, I'm going to use this blank slide as an example. I'm going to go to insert, top left, insert, and then I'm going to hit image. I'm going to click on drive and photos. So you should be on your Google Drive. Here the blue shows that it's selected, and you can go to my drive, select on the image of your poster or infographic that should already be saved on your Google Drive. I'm going to click on it and it's going to appear on the slide. I'm going to drag it again in the middle where the red lines cross. That way it's centered. And I'm going to pretend this is the infographic that my group made. This is just a picture that I found online. You're not supposed to use a pre-made picture, obviously, but this is just an example. I'm going to go to the right, hit close that menu, and write my reflection. Now, if you did a podcast, I'm going to use this blank slide as an example. We're going to go again, top left, insert, and then for a podcast, I'm going to go to audio. Click on audio, my drive, files, click on this MP3 file, bottom right, hit insert, and it's going to make this little icon. Like if you just hover over it, then you can click on the play and then you can hear. You're going to be able to hear your podcast. So I'm going to drag this icon. Maybe I can make it bigger. And because this one is just a little icon, like the video and the infographic take up more space and it's prettier. For this one, if you did a podcast and it's just a simple little icon like this, you can add an image to make your slide prettier. So if you go up here and you hit insert and then you hit image, you can go to stock and web, click on that. This menu on the right is going to appear, and then you can type something like, I had already typed environment here. I'm going to type it again, environment, hit enter, or yeah, hit enter, and then say I'm going to choose this sticker down here. I'm going to click on it once and it's going to appear. I can drag, change the size of this, change the size of this. Maybe I can add one more image if I wanted to, and just make it pretty if you'd like. I can close this menu now. And there you go. Now you know how your group is going to add your video, poster, infographic, or podcast. Make sure you finish this by the end of the week. And that way our group slideshow is going to be complete. If you have any questions, let me know during class or send me an email. All right. Thank you guys. Good luck.